subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Galaxy A03 with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A03 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a V-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The textured rear panel of the phone supports a dual camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is powered by octa-core Uni-SoC T606 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, and it runs on Android 11 out of the box with One UI Core 3.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone supports Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system on both wired and wireless headset for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.9 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy A03 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be soon available for purchase in the country in black, blue, and red color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A03 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.